Hey everyone, welcome back to Learning Traits. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Today, we're exploring into the world of Logies Part 2. Ecology, the study of ecosystems, including the relationships between organisms and their environments. Example, an ecologist might study how pollution affects plant and animal life in a wetland area. Archaeology, the study of human history and prehistory through excavation and analysis of artifacts, structures, and other physical remains. Example, an archaeologist might uncover and analyze ancient tools and pottery to learn about early human civilizations. Philosophy, the study of fundamental questions regarding existence, knowledge, values, reason, and language. Example, a philosopher might ponder questions about what constitutes a just society or explore the nature of truth and ethics. Meteorology, the study of weather and atmospheric condition. Example, our meteorologist might use weather data to forecast daily weather patterns or study climate change effects. Pathology, the study of disease, including its causes, development, and effects on the body. Example, a pathologist might examine tissue samples to diagnose illnesses or understand how diseases affect organs. Linguistics, the study of language, including its structure, use, and development. Example, a linguist might analyze how languages evolve over time or how they differ across cultures. Economics, the study of how people use resources to produce, distribute, and consume goods and services. Example, an economist might study market trends to predict economic growth or analyze the effects of policy changes on the economy. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning.